Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I do want to quickly mention one thing, which is you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Now, this will be a little bit more annoying to enter recovery mode than normally, as normally if you know your screen lock, you would just do this. Just to demonstrate it, you can swipe up or swipe down from the corner, select power off, and the device is off. Now, once the device is off, what you want to do is hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and the moment you start holding it, you're gonna just plug in the cable. Now for me, it's going to be a little bit more annoying because I need to plug in the cable right away. So right now, come on. And instead of turning off the device, I can't do that as you see because it's forcing me to confirm the screen lock. What I'm gonna do instead is hold power button and the volume down, as long as it takes the device to just forcibly turn off, or more precisely reboot. So the moment the screen goes black, not timed out like it did, I will switch to power button and the volume up, which is the same thing that you're gonna do, that you're gonna be holding if you know your screen lock after you turned off the device. You're gonna power volume up and plug it in. My device will be already plugged in, so I will be just swapping from one to another. You're just gonna start holding it and plug it in. So anyway, let's showcase this now. I'm gonna hold power button, volume down. I will interact with the display because the moment it turns off, which is right about now, oh, a little bit longer, come on, there we go, it's off. So I'm switching to power button and volume up. In a second we should see Samsung. There we go, Samsung. Once you see Galaxy, you can let go of the power button, and I don't know if it's gonna boot up into it. We're gonna see. Okay, it did. I did by mistake let go of the buttons, so I was kind of afraid of it, but you can see it boots us into here. So this way, we don't need to provide the screen lock. We can just enter this mode without it, and yeah, that's how we can enter it. And like I mentioned, if you know your screen lock, you just turn off your device and hold these two buttons, plug it in, and you get the same kind of treatment. You get the Samsung logo, Galaxy shows up, you let go of the power button, and keep holding volume up till you get this mode. Now in here, using volume buttons, we're going to navigate, so I'm going to start pressing volume down specifically to navigate down in order to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it using your power button, then select factory data reset and confirm that. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data, and then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So we can just press the power button to initiate a reboot. You can also unplug the cable. So because it's rebooting, it's actually also continuing the resetting of the device in the background, so it will take the tablet a little bit longer to turn back on, so don't worry, that is completely normal. Once the process is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And you can see the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.